See, what you are saying is that releasing Nnamdikanu. Release the Nnamdikanu called Jebelo Onwe. You are still holding Nnamdi there. You've released on the Igbo. Igbo was doing his business. Nnamdikanu was doing his business. All of a sudden, Nnamdikanu's own business turned to be what? Peter. That's good. That's a call from the Ijaw Upland people. Ijaw Upland Association. They just bring out that as a solution recently to Tinubu government, because actually they find out that the trouble fomenters in Nigeria, people that are causing trouble, number one, the people that started bandits in the north, the northerners. Number two, the Fulani visitors from Sahara Desert, from Futajelon Highland, Senegambia. They are the one masterminding Fulani terrorism across Nigeria that bringing about food drought. There is famine in the land. Farmers are not going to work anymore. They found out that the Igbo himself, whose agitation is quite different and more dangerous than that of Nnamdi, has been released by his brother Tinubu. Then Ijaw, the mighty Allah patron, chief patron, has been released after killing many farmers. And while the person that is doing the right business of agitation, that is agitating for everybody in southern Nigeria, has been still incarcerated. And if you ask Tinubu to do so, he will tell you it's Igbos. Tinubu, I just want to know, the chief commander of the armed forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria, are they the Igbos? Are you trying to tell me that Igbos are among you people that are eating fat at Aso Rock? Are Igbos there? Is it Igbo man that is in charge of Nigeria? Are Igbos there? You want to tell me that somebody that's presiding over that office of Aso Rock, they are Igbos? Your subordinates, are they Igbos? Or God, go and do the needful. These people, Ijaw Upland, they are telling you to release because it is too glaring that you are over marginalizing Igbo. Oga Tinubu, go and listen to the latest release by Abdul Karim Idris. He does not hide you. Karim did not fear you. Karim Idris is telling you exactly what you are doing. That you are cheating the Igbos. That you are not getting it right. You are making millions with your political gang of what? Looters. And you still turn your back on Igbo man. And Igbo man is going down on daily basis. He did not do you anything. Insecurity everywhere. You politicians safeguard yourself with armed mobile policemen. Leaving Nigerians susceptible, prone to attack by all these gangs of what? Criminals like Boko Haram and Saru, bandits or non-government. Tinubu do the needful. What the job people are telling you is the truth. Releasing Nnamdikanu, he has not done you anything. Because Nnamdi is asking for Biafra, does it mean that he was the first person that asked for Biafra? Why didn't you arrest Ojukwu when you were governor of Lagos State? He'd arrest Ojukwu for what? Wanna be mates? See, what you are saying is that releasing Nnamdikanu. Release the Nnamdikanu called Jebelo Onwe. You are still holding Nnamdi there. You've released on the Igbo. Igbo was doing his business. Nnamdikanu was doing his business. All of a sudden, Nnamdikanu's own business turned to be what? Bitter and sour. Why? He is an Igbo man. Oga, do the needful. Before the needful becomes paranoid. Before the needful becomes what? Paranoid. Incurable. See, Nnamdikanu should not die in prison. If he dies, Nigeria dies. If Nnamdikanu dies, Nigeria will die. They don't know that a freedom fighter is a freedom fighter. They think that when you kill a freedom fighter, you have gone free. When you kill a freedom fighter, you are going to bury him with what he's fighting for. These politicians in Nigeria are morons. They don't know that just oppressing somebody, fighting, you want him to be poisoned or to die. If he dies, you will see that Biafra immediately. They don't know. They don't study. All they know is siphoning money, buying Toyota SUV worth of 250,000 per car, instead of investing it to develop Nigeria. Let hunger leave Nigeria. They are buying G-Wagon, Bentley, Yash, presidential jets, building houses worth of 14 billion for Chetima. 14 billion that is enough to erect at least good 12 industries, production companies. You use it to build a house for somebody, you have buried that money for life. That money will not yield anything. That amount of money. It is good for Tinubu to emulate Ibrahim Traore or Burkina Faso. Use that 14 billion, sink it into agricultural, irrigation, agriculture, revolution. Sink it into farming. Employ the youth. Let the youth go to farm. Employ them. People will be working 24 hours. It's surprising me that federal government of Nigeria does not have plantations. That they said this mango plantation is from here to Mbidi, Anambra State. It's only mango. Youth should work in this mango plantation. They will be paying them. Mangoes. Nigeria will have juice manufacturing company because we have mango plantations. They don't have banana plantation that runs from here to Chagamu. Employ youths there. Youth will be working and they will be paid. We will now have banana juice all over Nigeria. They don't have farmland like where they cultivate orange plantations. People will be working at those orange plantations. You will be paying the youths there. And we have orange juice company all over Nigeria. Nigeria don't invest anything. Nigeria government, all the government is doing is that they are growing fat, allowing Nigerians to leave Nigerians to be suffering on daily basis, allowing Nigerians to be a subject to hunger, allowing Nigerians to be at least dying of abject poverty or impoverishment. See, the government we have here is a government that are growing fat, while their subjects, I mean the entire Nigerian citizens, are growing lean, going down to the abyss on daily basis. Look at Nigeria. One egg is now 200 naira. A crate of egg is a luxury in Nigeria. A bunch of banana is now 1,000. A bottle of granite, peeled one, is now 2,300. Nigeria is going down and these people are feeding fat. A bag of beans in Nigeria is now 96,000 to 120,000. A bag of garri has gone from 25, 30 it was before to 86,000. Just imagine, Nigerians are not eating fresh fish anymore because we cannot afford fish. And this Nigerian president and all the politicians are feeding fat. And if you ask some idiot, do you like what is going on? They will defend Tinubu because they are from Southwest. Are they not hungry too? He is hungry that is defending Tinubu, but out of ethnic bigotry, he could not tell the whole world the truth. That Tinubu does not have clue what it takes to be a president. See, let me tell you, Obi's mandate that was stolen is the reason why everybody in Nigeria is suffering presently. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You see, I am the Sakmar, the new Oko condemn. In this Republic of Biafra, live Mazin Nnamdikanu and his POB government of Biafra. Long live Republic of Biafra. Long live Mazin Nnamdikanu. Long live Simon Ekpa. God, I thank you, I bless you for your goodness, for your mercy, for your favor upon every one of us. The life you give to Nnamdikanu, the security you give to Simon Ekpa, and fellow people that accommodate him, and all our fans all over the world. Daddy, I thank you for your goodness upon their life. Be blessed, be magnified in Jesus' name. Amen. You see, what Simon Ekpa said concerning Ifanyoba and the security in Anambra State, really, Ifanyoba contributed for this security in Anambra State, not only in Anambra State, in the entire land of Biafra. Ifanyoba have his own vigilante group he formed, buy arms for them. And that vigilante, he did not form them to big peace or security in Anambra, mostly on Nnewi senatorial zone where he come from. But he created them to counterize ESN, Biafra Liberation Army, and the people that are trying to observe Monday sit at home, or the people that are obeying Biafra government order. he create those in people against these people to make sure that the federal government of Nigeria tag IPOB, tag Simon Ekpa, tag IPOB autopilot as terrorist people, as Nigeria have been calling them. And this considered to the insecurity in the third state of Anambra. But if anybody will come out accusing the governor of Anambra State, Soludo, that he is the problem in Anambra, he is the insecurity in Anambra, well, you that are not the chief security of Anambra State, you are only staying in Abuja, you come to Anambra, create your own vigilante, under whose command, under whose authority. Is the governor supposed to give you go ahead before you do it? But you come and do it. Yeah, people will be killing. You will say unknown gunmen. Who are the unknown gunmen? It may be Ifanyuba group, Ifanyuba boys. It may be them, and not say automatically it's them. Have you seen it? Now, they will give you money for your senatorial zone to go and develop it. You take it to buy gun and give your people to be killing. Tomorrow, you will say, Soludo. I'm not trying to verify Soludo. I'm not trying to say Soludo is a good man. All of them are based of the same father. All of them are Fulani government of Nigeria agents in Biafra land. And Senator Fanyuba know why. He said Soludo is the insecurity in Anambra. And since that time, I haven't had Soludo come and debunk him or challenge him. Because Soludo know that if he came and say, Ifanyuba, you're telling lie, their secret will be leaking. Ifanyuba don't know their secret. And it seems that Ifanyuba is at losing age now. He's at losing age now. This is why he come to criticize Soludo. Now, to show you that the insecurity, Ifanyuba and his men are part of the contributors of insecurity in Anambra State. Now, Ifanyuba own chief security, Ifanyuba his own head of so-called vigilante group is the one that I'm hiding now that he have been killed. Watch out, if I have been killed, those Ifanyuba group kill their relations may come for retaliation. You know what I'm saying? Because I remember.
Now I'm worsening the security crisis in Nnewi, if that happens.
It may not worsen it. Because when you know a criminal and apprehend that criminal, the criminality will stop. If the chief head or leader of Ifanyuba vigilante group were killed, and it came to be that those people, they kill their relations in one way or the other, have come to retaliate. If the retaliation continue going on, you will see that those people, Ifanyuba group, will come down. And when they come down, those retaliation team will come down also, because their own is not to continue, their own is to retaliate. And when they see there's nobody to retaliate again, they will shield their sword, and there'll be peace in Anambra State. Most of that Nnewi senatorial zone, there'll be peace over there. This is what is going on. And remember, what I want to say before, Umar Odiko, when Ijaw Buhari took over from Shagari, Umar Odiko ran away, escaped to Britain, and stayed in Britain, boasting that anybody can claim to carry gun. It doesn't mean that only when you carry uniform that you can be able to carry gun. Umar Odiko says so. So if you find your back, people were killing, they may force other people to carry gun and come for revenge. You understand? Because something is fishing. Something is fishing that if this man, Ifanyuba, vigilante head, is killed. Number one, it may be the people that he killed their own men, their own people, came to retaliate. Or his own group kill him where they're dragging post. Who will be the head and who will be tail? Or he may be killed to cover secrets. Because it seems that all of them are falling. Biafra is taking over. So he may be killed to cover the secret so that it will not leak when Biafra government take over final. Because there may be confession. Secret will be leaking. There will be judgment. Who did what he did in Biafra land, in Biafra nation, in the name of Nigerian. All those will be coming out. It may be part of it that made this man to be killed, as I heard. And if you watch, if it's so, the peace will return in Anambra State. Peace. If this will continue, peace will return in Anambra State. Because Biafrans are not ready to kill. In the book of Psalm 140, it said, violence will pursue the wicked and overtake him. It's not to say the violence will pursue the righteous. We Biafrans, the Biafrans are righteous. But violence will pursue anyone that is wicked in Biafra land and overtake him. This is what happened now. And if what happened to this man is to cover up the mess, if it's to cover up the mess of Ifeanyi and his group, you will see that one after the other, violence will rising up and taking at them, one after the other, until all of them have gone. So that the city will be covered. Remember David. When David killed pregnant Uriah's wife, Bathsheba, and want to cover it up, he committed another crime again, killing Uriah with the sword of the enemy. If Nathan did not come out to expose David, David may continue to cover up, and they see people will go in. This is what is happening. If they kill this guy to cover up of mess of Ifeanyi and his group, killing will continue. Killing will continue, and they cannot be able to cover it up until that Ifeanyi group gone, and there will be peace in Anambra. That's what I'm saying. So this is all happened there. So someone ekpa to come out and say Ifeanyi hitman, head of his hitmen have died. They have killed him. Watch out, it's true. Because someone ekpa cannot say whatever that is not confirmed.